Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. My name is Janish Tolaria from Computer Engineering, roll number 33, semester 6. In subject of OSC, my project title is online from the food ordering from a restaurant. So here I have taken one Indian restaurant called Masala Pot, an Indian restaurant. This is the front end main page of the this website, this project. Okay, okay. If we scroll, this is the menu. This is menu card of the restaurant. In our restaurant, I have taken this Masala Pot restaurant for a in our restaurant for taking order. First of all, a user have to register or login. Means if user is registered, then no need to login. Then login. If not registered, then compulsory user has to register. Okay, menu. In this this is the menu of the our site. Our site. If I want to add this, this will add, but this is add at a guest side. But for ordering this, I have to log in. So first of all, I am taking my order as a guest. After then, I am logging in. I am ordering butter naan and one. Okay. After then if we refresh the site, cart is updated. Butter sabji, butter naan, chole bhature. This is the quantity, and this is all price, and here is the total number. For ordering the ordering this item, I have to log in. So I am clicking on the login, but I don't have account. Then I will register. I am register as J J Nish D J. My email ID is Janish gmail.com. Password is JJ11. Okay. And here I am registering. I am saving this. After registering, I have to log in to the site for ordering this. I am logging in the site. For till now I haven't ordered anyone, so here this page is nothing to show. This page is showing my past orders, but I don't have any orders. So if I go to the cart will say this, and for ordering these items I have to write my mobile number and my address, and I'm clicking order. Here my order will be shown, and my order ID is this, my phone number is this, my address is this, my order time is showing here. If I go to here menu, I will see these all the things. Okay, this is the frequent. If I want to order another things like this, then also cart will be updated. Now I am logged in, but I want to order with another mobile name. Then I can do this. If my order will be changed, then I can do this. Okay. I can uh, do this. After this, I can see my uh, I can, okay. This is the page. After, if I log out, I can log out. If I logged in, I can see directly my the order page, order list page. Recently I have I have I have ordered this order, and okay, 936. This is the order list page for the customer. Now I am logging as the admin. For the admin has the admin's password and admin's email ID, admin and then admin will see the order, like our order Sai paneer chole bhutuje search order sir, order of the user, address and status. This is and time and the payment statement I have done is this is COD. COD is my payment style. Okay. After that, admin will update the status, means confirm order is confirmed. This order will confirm. This order will delivered. This order will delivered. This updated status will be shown by the user. If for updated status showing user has to log in. User has to log in and click the date. Now order is out of delivery. Out of delivery is updated by the okay. This shown by here. If admin will complete the order from the deleted from the current scenario. Order will be deleted from the current scenario, and log in out. And if a user will log in, then user can see the order list and order status. This order is completed. This order ID is this, and order is now completed. This immediately seen by the user. Or this is the empty cart functionality. Empty cart will be seen like this. If I do back, then I will be redirected to this page. I can add something, and if I refresh the page, I can submit because I am logged in. But when I log out, then here it will show as a login content. So user in this functionality, user can add the items into cart and make the order. Payment will be COD by default, and admin will update the orders. Add this order. If I add this order with another username like Hari, for the Hari there is no order now. Hari is updating mobile number and writing address. Here is the order for the Hari. Okay. If Hari log out, if another user Jai, for the Jai there is no order, but Jai is taking order now, so order will be added. Okay, this order is here. Okay, if I see, admin will see these orders. Admin will and update the status from here. Okay, thank you, sir.